up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be working with my quality hair. This is my first time working with this company and my first time hearing about this company. So let's see. The package in the box is cute. It's been a while since I've received hair in the box. Yeah, so let's open up this box. This is how you guys know I'm like real comfortable, because I just come on camera looking any type of way all the time, and I really don't care. Like, you guys are family. But okay, let's open up the box and see what we received. Okay, I received the paper. That's absolutely nothing. This is the hair. I received a comb, 2 clips, a wig cap, and a paper. So let's see what this paper says. Okay, so first things first, before we get into this video, I have a 10% off coupon code. It's going to be on the screen, which is AB10, and you'll get 10% off with any order over $99. Also, y'all, this is a new type of wig. Like I said, I've never received this type of wig before. I received the natural color 22-inch 150 density, and this is curly, as you can see. Okay, yeah. I've never ever received anything like this, y'all. This is a half wig, which means this is literally beginner friendly. With this wig, you can literally make any style you want. You can place this wig anywhere on your head and boom, you have a whole style, and it's looking like your real hair. It also comes with a drawstring, so you could put it in as a ponytail as well. Ooh, okay. I don't know how I'm gonna do this style. I don't know what style to do. The wig construction and everything with this wig is different. This is not your, you know, your ordinary wig. This is a different type of wig. Like I said, this is a half wig. You can do any style with this hair, literally any style. And it's no type of lace, no nothing. So this is really beginner friendly. For all my girls who's used to half wigs and you don't want the lace and all the next stuff, this wig is perfect for you. But since this is something I've never done before, let's see what I can do with it. I was thinking about I don't know what I can do. I don't know, this is something different. This is something different. The curls is pretty though. Like I said, I got 22 inches, 150 density. The curls is real pretty. I feel like it would definitely mark my natural hair OD, but now that I got heat damage, So, okay, I have this sweater on because I'm cold. But, okay, let me take my hair out. We're going to see how we about to, do this wig. I feel like I want to do it as a no part, not install, but as a no part style, if that makes sense. Like, I'm going to wear it as a half wig with no part. Or I could also wear it as a ponytail. Yeah, I don't really know, but I feel like this side is this side broken? There we go. Yeah, this side was stuck. I thought I was bugging. So yeah, see, it draws up into a ponytail or a half wig. So today we're gonna try. I'm gonna try a half wig and ponytail with this look. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and section part of my hair out in the front. I believe that's how you girls do the half wigs, right? Okay, y'all, so instead of braiding my hair down in the back, which is OD, I'm just gonna put it back in the little bun I had it in. Not little, big bun over here, big bun. I'm gonna put it back in the little bun I had it in and just pin that up. So this is how the back of my hair is looking, right? So now I'm gonna go in with my wig And it has combs inside, so you can like secure the wig. Also a drawstring, like I said. So I'm gonna put the first comb like literally close to my part, like right here. I'm gonna put the next comb on the side of the part, like right here. I don't have a mirror, y'all, so I'm using like my foot. Ooh, that is tight. So right now, this is how it's looking, y'all. This is the curls. This is everything. Like, this is how it's looking. Okay, this is how the back is looking. It's looking real flat. You see no ponytail, no nothing. Now it's time to get my hair in order. Like I said, we're going to be going for the no part look. So, you know, like that, right? I'm going to be going for that type of look. So, let me get my water. I'm going to change up my thing because this one sprays, but it sprays so weird. A couple of you guys always ask where I got this from. My aunt bought it for me when she worked at Sally's, so I'm guessing they have it at Sally's. So go check Sally's. Okay, y'all, so we back in business, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and just spray the front of my hair. I won't really have to add product in it because I already have product in it from before. So my hair is wet. I'm just gonna blend it in with the curls now, so it could really look like my hair, which is starting to look like my hair. This is my hair with the wig, and y'all, it's giving my hair, y'all. Like this, yo, this hair is really giving. I'm not gonna put any product on it so you guys can like see like the real stuff. I'm wetting the wig now so it can like blend even more when I brush it out. But y'all, this is giving my real hair. What? Yeah. Okay. So, I'm about to take this bracelet off. The bracelet always get caught onto things. Okay, but, okay. So, this is how it's looking, right, y'all? It's my half wig. I feel like with this style as well, you could do like the, y'all know the new style that's trending, the half up, half down, the claw clip. You could definitely do that as well. But, I don't want that look. I did that look too many times. So, I'm just going to stay with the no part look. I bought this new stuff from Aunt Jackie's. I'm going to go ahead and add that into my hair as well. I'm going to be testing some products out. So if you guys, be quiet. So if you guys want me to test out natural hair products, let me know down below. Natural hair ain't cheap. But honey, I'm ready to find what's good for me. So, let me wet up the hair because my hair soaks up water so quick. It's not even funny. But I want the big look, so I don't want it too flat. So I'm just going to wet the top of the wig where my hair is laying at. Just like this. Okay. And I'm going to go in with this. I don't know how this stuff works, but we're going to go in with this. And I'm going to add that onto my hair with the wig, of course. I never used something like this on my hair before, but we need to blend these curls in with the wig. Just like so. Okay, so this is what it's looking like right now, y'all, right? Okay. Ooh, that curl whip did something to my hair now. Ooh, I think I found something. Okay, so y'all, this is what it's giving right now, right? I gotta just wet the ends. Okay, so this is what it's giving right now, y'all. It's giving natural hair. I'm waiting for it to like really dry so I can get big. So in the meantime, I'm gonna just go ahead and do my edges. I finally got edge control. That's why I wasn't doing my edges lately. I got no edge control. So I'm gonna put one here, put an edge here. Hold on, let me take out my baby hair. I can't really see. Okay, so I got my edges out. I'm gonna go ahead and do them now. Y'all, I low-key feel like I'm struggling, y'all, because I don't have a freaking mirror anymore. It broke, so I'm literally using my camera to look at what I'm doing. So, y'all, let me tell you something. I'm so used to doing my baby hair on wigs. I don't know how to do my natural baby hair. Like, it's just, this is sad. But hopefully that looks good. Just like so. Does this look dumb? I gotta see what I'm doing, y'all. Yeah, I low-key feel like I took out too much hair, but this is how it's looking. I feel like I feel like it looks real and natural. I don't know, you guys, let me know down below. It's my first time ever working with a half wig. But yeah, I love this look. I could definitely throw in the wig and go. Like I said, this is my baby hairs. This is the wig. This is how it's looking in the back. Yeah. So like I said, you could also do a half up, half down with this look. We're going to go ahead and try that instead of the ponytail. But let me take pictures of this look real quick. Okay, so yeah, I'm really feeling this look. But now we're going to try the half up, half down. I'm going to take my brush and brush this up to give it a nice smooth look. Put this in a ponytail. Just like this. Y'all think I'm feeling this look way better than the first look? Oh my god. Now this look is cute. This look is mad cute. And like I said, you can do different styles with this half wig. And this is not, bro, you could do so many different styles with this half wig. I'm jacking it. And at the end of the day, it's still going to look natural. Because you have your red hair out in the front. This is the second look and I absolutely love it. It's giving natural hair. It's giving... what wig at this point? I've never ever in my life wore a half wig or worked with a half wig, so it's like this was kind of challenging because I didn't know what to expect, but I feel like I still got the job done. But yeah, I think this look is my favorite look. Yeah, it's this look for me. So if you guys are interested in the same exact wig, all the details will be down below. Like I said, I got a 10% off code for you guys. It's going to be on the screen once again. This is AB10 to get 10% off on orders that are over $99. Yeah, y'all, this is my quality wig. Shout out to them. The hair is good. I had a little bit of tangling, but that's normal with curly hair, even with our natural curly hair. But I barely had any type of shedding. I don't think I even had any type of shedding because I was using my wooden brush. But other than that, y'all, I highly recommend this hair, especially for my beginner-friendly people who don't want to work with no lace, no nothing. And even if you don't want to wear your natural hair out, you guys know the headband wigs. You can just throw a headband over the front of the wig if you don't want to wear your natural hair out. But other than that, y'all, like I said, I highly recommend this hair. And I love how this style turned out. The second style is definitely my favorite rather than the first style. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 60K, man. Let's get it, let's go. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.